Could a keyboard this small really pack a punch for serious gamers and typists? This NIELONGHCY 60% mechanical marvel promises big things in a tiny package, and it's time to see if it truly delivers. The compact 60% layout is a standout feature. For anyone looking to reclaim desk space or prefer a minimalist setup, this design is a dream. It's not just about saving space, it's about efficiency. With fewer keys, hand travel is reduced, which can be a real advantage in fast-paced gaming or intense typing sessions. While one might initially worry about missing dedicated arrow keys, the programmable nature of this board quickly alleviates those concerns. Speaking of customization, the hot swappable keys are a game changer. No longer is one stuck with the factory switches. The ability to easily pop out the blue switches and replace them with something else, without any soldering, opens up a world of personalization. Whether a user prefers a linear feel for gaming or a tactile bump for typing, the choice is entirely theirs. The included blue switches offer that satisfying, clicky feedback many mechanical keyboard enthusiasts adore, providing a distinct auditory and tactile experience. Ergonomics haven't been overlooked. The design, with its comfortable keycaps and keyboard shelf, aims to reduce strain during those marathon gaming sessions or long hours of document creation. It's a thoughtful touch that contributes significantly to long-term comfort, preventing fatigue from setting in too quickly. The programmable keys truly elevate this keyboard. Imagine setting up custom macros for complex game commands or creating shortcuts for frequently used applications. This level of personalization offers immense flexibility, adapting the keyboard precisely to individual workflows and playstyles. It's a powerful tool for both productivity and competitive gaming. And for connectivity, the USB-C wired connection is a welcome sight. It ensures a stable, fast, and lag-free response, crucial for gamers who demand precision and reliability. There's no worry about wireless interference or battery life. Just plug in and play with confidence. The inclusion of a split spacebar further highlights the keyboard's commitment to advanced customization. Ultimately, for those seeking a compact, highly customizable, and reliable mechanical keyboard, the NIELONGHCY 60% offers an impressive blend of features. It's a powerful little board that punches well above its weight, delivering a premium experience for gamers and typists alike who value efficiency, personalization, and robust performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.